Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make streusel topping, full guide. Start by measuring 1 cup flour, 1 cup sugar, and 6 tablespoons cold butter. Cut butter into flour and sugar until pea-sized crumbs form. Add optional nuts or spices and pulse gently to combine. Chill the streusel for 15 minutes to firm the butter, then sprinkle evenly over fruit or batter before baking for a crunchy, golden finish. In this video, I will explain how to make streusel topping, full guide. Start by weighing ingredients for consistent results and keep butter cold until mixing. Use half brown sugar and half granulated sugar for caramel notes and crisp texture. Fold in chopped nuts, oats, or cinnamon for extra flavor, but avoid overmixing to preserve crumbly bits. Taste a small pinch raw to adjust sweetness before chilling and topping your bake. In this video, I will explain how to make streusel topping, full guide. Quick recommendation: if you love tidy kitchens, try the robot face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It saves time so you can bake more often. If that sounds useful, subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make streusel topping, full guide. Begin by choosing your method: pastry cutter, food processor, or fingers. If using a processor, pulse in short bursts to prevent warming the butter. For hand mixing, rub butter into flour with fingertips until pea-sized. Adjust crumb size to your preference and finish with a quick chill. Sprinkle over fillings right before baking for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.